Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and today I'm doing a review for the soundwave warrior class, along with two legends size figures, spring load and bisk. Figured I'd throw these guys in there too with soundwave, just for the heck of it. But let's start off with soundwave. Excuse me. He does have good posability. He's got ball joint in the shoulder. There's a pin here where his arm is able to go back and forth depending on how if you want to position his arms. But he does got a ball joint in the elbow, and his hands do move. Well, maybe they don't. Okay, his hands don't move. Well, his head go back and forth. He's got this cannon that you have replaced upward or outward. Kind of like a Predator cannon right there, doesn't it? Anyway, he's got upper chest articulation that allow him to move back and forth. Go. I always do this. I go to do a video, I say you start, and then I start yawning. It's like I'm bored of my own videos. The ball joint in the upper legs are here. And there's a mushroom joint here in the upper calf. And a pin joint there at the knee. The feet can rock back and forth a little bit, but that's due to the transformation of the pin right here. It's a good sturdy figure, very reminiscent of the Gen 1 Soundwave. Dang it. Anyway, does have light piping. I wish he could have a better way of showing it off, but he does. Or transform. You unhook his chest. Actually, you know what? You gotta bring up his arms first like this, and then unhook his chest. That way you're able to bring the chest upward and swing his head inside and bring that down. Then you want to turn his waist 360 all the way back. You unhook this section here and put that backward. Unhook the wheels here and here. And you turn the feet all the way around inside. Then you turn the legs 360 at this the mushroom joint here in the upper leg. Maybe you don't have to do the, no, you don't have to do the turning the waist. You know, screw that up before too. Connect the legs together. There's a tab right here, and then it hooks into the hole on the other side. And then you tab right into the back of the chest. And here's the weird part. You take this panel and you flip it out straight on both arms here. Then You bring the arms back down and you slide this shoulder piece upward. And you bring the arms all the way back. And there's a peg right here. It goes into the hole right there, right next to the ball joint. And you bring the arm up like this. And it should peg in perfectly right there. And on both sides. And there's a peg right here that hooks into the hole right there on each side. Yeah, it's a little wonky with the arms. I mean, you see the hands right there sticking out on both sides. What can you do? The cannon can come off. And you have it on, and you didn't show this in the robot mode, but you have it on either side. Or you can hold it as a gun, one or the other. And that's this car mode. I'm gonna get this down here. And he rolls very nicely. Bring that back up. So that's RD soundwave. Now, excuse me again. Oh, we'll go to Legend Spring Load. Now I know there was a one-step changer of him. There wasn't a warrior class one. There was a one-step changer, and I said I never saw the one-step changer. Never found it. It was supposedly out there in the wild somewhere, but I never saw it. I just had to go as Mr. Mini Froggy here. He looks like an angry frog. His mouth does open. Don't call me Kermit. Bah. But it doesn't look bad at all. Whereas transformed. Oh wait. He does got his arms can go up and down too. And so does his back legs. It's very limited in opposability. But that's how they were. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so you bring the legs up and you bring them around to the front. And there's a peg right here. It's pegged right into there. And his feet go down. His legs fold into there. And the back legs turn like that. And you fold the back legs in. And there's a little pickup truck mode. And then we'll go to bisk. Now bisk here, again, there was a warrior class of him. Never saw it. Even as there was like another repaint or two of him, never saw them either. It's like all the Decepticon ones, they just gone. I just never found them. I think I saw Scorponok once at a Kmart. And I was on a toy hunt with a couple buddies of mine, and I was tapped out of cash. And I think my buddies had offered to buy it for me, and I'd pay them back, but I declined. I was like, nope. It'd be a little too much. Anyway, he does have his little claw knees there. Ball joint in the shoulder. ball joint in the upper leg, and he's kicking very well. He's a really nice little figure. I'm glad I have him. I remember posting a picture of him being chased, him and Spring Load at different times, being chased by all my gnaws I have in the other room. So they want either crab legs or frog legs. It was funny. But for his car mode, you take the hood, you bring it up front from the back. The arms all the way up, then bring them. No, you know what? Hold on. Don't want to do that first. I'm going to take the legs and fold them inward like this, and they peg together. Very Micromaster feel to the back legs. Bring the arms down. It shows the orange sports car he turns into. Black wheels and nice sleek car mode. I might have to put some Decepticon symbols on him, because this right here is just screaming for a Decepticon symbol. Unlike Spring Loads, where he's got that thing for the online game. The Spring Load looks nice here. It's a green truck. You don't see too many green Decepticons when you get the Waspinators and Acid Storms. No, Acid Storm. I think under there somewhere is that horrible Cyberverse Acid Storm I bought. Great green color in this plastic. Green colored plastic's nice. It's, first look at it, it's a nice figure. The gimmick destroys the whole figure. Watch my review on that one. Anyway, gonna bring this down. I'll just show how well these guys roll. Roll very nicely. If you can find these guys cheap, I was just getting them. Nice figures, worth the buy. Considering that they're no longer available in retail, you're going to be going towards the secondary market for these figures. And I don't know how much they're going for, but they're worth getting. If you're a fan of the series, definitely worth it. There we go. There's a good old soundwave. Back in robot mode. Done. Anyway, if you like this video, give a thumbs up down below, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.